Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. The US government made shocking statement about Shiba Inu Coin. Shib news today. Shiba Inu's calm price action starkly contrasts with that seen over the past two sessions. Shib slumped as low as the 0.000000840s in dollars on Monday as worries about Binance's solvency weighed across the crypto space. The cryptocurrency surged in tandem with the broader market in the wake of Tuesday's softer-than-expected US inflation figures, which have eased fears about how aggressively the Fed will continue to tighten financial conditions in the coming months, according to Crypto News. In this video, we will talk about the US government made shocking statements about Shiba Inu Coin. Shib news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shib has seen a round trip of around 11% from Monday's lows to Tuesday's highs in the 0.000000930s in dollars. However, long-term price predictions remain pessimistic, with Shib's technicals not looking great. Between now and the end of 2022, Shiba Inu could hit the $0.0001 mark and lose another zero after the decimal. In October 2021, it ate one more zero. The trigger to such a rally between now and the end of 2022 would likely be broader market price action. If the market is bullish in 2022, then Shib eating one more zero is possible. That's because the hype around Shib is quite strong, as is evident in its price action in October and early November. With so many people expecting Shib to rally, fear of missing out could see it gain by a couple thousand% next year. In 2023, Shiba Inu's price action will largely depend on the market's performance in 2022. If the market is bullish in 2022, then some momentum could spill into Shib going into 2023. However, if the market is lackluster in 2022, Shiba Inu could enter a corrective phase in 2023. Shiba Inu is a meme coin that almost everybody knows how it skyrocketed last year and gave massive returns to its holders. Shib is an ETH-based token launched in competition with Dogecoin, the pioneer of dog-themed coins. It has a strong community which kept the project alive even when the market was red. Shib has a circulating supply of over 500 trillion and a market cap of over $5 billion. However, Shiba Inu has no competitive edge in the world of cryptocurrencies. Being a network compatible with Ethereum doesn't necessarily make people want to own and use the Shib token. With no true competitive advantages in the crypto world, coupled with falling interest from the crypto community, it's hardly a surprise that Shib's price has crashed 90% since its all-time high set in October 2021. Investors might be tempted to buy in with the hope that the price could bounce back higher, but this is akin to gambling, as opposed to real investing. If Shiba Inu sent 589 trillion tokens to the burn address today, the Shib price would be $0.1. In November, just 661 million Shib tokens were burned at a dollar value of around $6,000. It's a drop in the ocean. Shiba Burn Tracker says we'd be waiting at least 67,000 years for Shiba Inu to be worth $0.1 by token burning alone. As shared by ShibBurn Twitter handle, which represents a popular burn tracking service, during the last 24 hours, the burn rate of Shib has seen a substantial increase, rising more than 700%. Meanwhile, the prominent meme coin Shib has again gone off the top 10 list of the largest wallets on the Ethereum chain. According to the website of ShibBurn, in the past 24 hours, the burn rate of Shiba Inu surged by a whopping 706%. This happened after 16,037,016 Shib were sent to Inferno wallets. The biggest burn transaction contained 8,495,098 Shiba Inu made by an address ending in FFDEAA. The total amount burned this week per data shared will hardly exceed 100 million meme coins. Stats Tracker, that aggregates data related to wallets on several leading blockchains, including Ethereum, BTC, and several others, over the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu K9 Crypto has disappeared from the top 10 list of assets held by the largest 100 whales on Ethereum. This is the second time it has happened this month, and now whales have added Mana, STETH, and ANT as their biggest holdings. Their comprised portfolio now contains 35.59% of MANA, 34.21% of ST-ETH. Still, Shib continues to add more users in the thousands. Over the past 24 hours, the total amount of Shib holders rose by roughly 1,000, rising from 1,265,003 to 1,266,039 now. Earlier this week, the Shib holder count also demonstrated big rises within one day, as covered by You Today. Shib price has dropped to $0.000008616, losing 3.37% in the past 24 hours, as per data provided by CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu price could be setting up for a downtrend surge. The bulls show early signs of failure. If market conditions persist, a sweep the lows event will be imminent. Shiba Inu price is witnessing an ongoing consolidation as the notorious meme coin coils within a 10% range weekly. On December 13th, a bearish cross was spotted on the daily chart as the 21-day simple moving average threaded over the 8-day exponential moving average, while Shib remained submerged. Since the signal, the bulls have been rejected near the $0.000000900 barrier on smaller timeframes. Bearish crosses are often referred to as death cross amongst traders, as crossing the slower moving average into the faster one usually results in sharp liquidations. Shiba Inu currently trades at $0.000000885. The second retest of the intersected indicators will be unnecessary if the market is genuinely bearish. The piercing of the December 13 low at $0.000000861 could prompt a bear rally targeting the November swing low at $0.0000817 for a 7% decline. If bulls remain sidelined near the November bottom, then Shib will likely print new yearly lows in the coming weeks. A bullish attempt at the December 13 swing high at $0.000000932 is required to consider aiming for higher targets. If the bulls can flip the barrier into support, Shib could rally as high as November 10th swing high at $0.0001055. The Shiba Inu price would rise by 19% under the bullish scenario. The world's second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, is once again in the news. On Wednesday, December 14th, the SHIB price surged by 7%, with trading activity surging by 28%. This happened after Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama updated his Twitter profile. In his Twitter bio, Kusama wrote, "On the first day, my true love gave to me," which is basically a line from the song called The 12 Days of Christmas. The SHIB community has started to decode it and has been interpreting that a major update for Shibarium is coming ahead this Christmas. Shibarium is a blockchain platform that allows users and developers to make proper use of the existing Shiba Inu blockchain infrastructure. It is basically a Layer 2 blockchain platform for Shiba Inu. The goal of Shibarium is to lay the foundations for expanding the Shiba Inu ecosystem involving DEX, blockchain games, metaverse, and much more. Followers of Kusama were quick to spot that, hinting that there's a possibility of some major announcement very soon. Many users are curious if Shiba Inu developers are going to give a greater Christmas present. However, Kusama has chosen to stay silent on the entire matter. Thus, these are just speculations around the Shibarium development for now. Another reason behind the recent jump in the SHIB price is whale accumulation. Recent data from Etherscan reveals that the Shiba Inu whale accumulated a staggering 1.92 trillion SHIB, worth around $17.7 million. Although the SHIB cryptocurrency has witnessed a major correction in the crypto winter of 2022, market players continue to build products and services around it. Bahraini payment provider EasyPay partnered with Binance Pay to allow SDC customers to pay for their phone bills using Shiba Inu. On the other hand, Web3 e-commerce platform Urgunt recently announced a giveaway of 15 million Shiba Inu coins for participants of an event for the FIFA World Cup 2022. Participants had to hashtag their favorite World Cup semi-finalist team alongside the World Cup 2022 hashtag in the comments section. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.